Alright, it's the Smart Home Helper here, and today I'm going to be doing a review over the Kwikset 888 Smart Lock. Now my reviews, I break them down into 4 different categories. The first is going to be the installation, so that'll be the level of difficulty it comes with installing this lock, as well as the difficulty it comes with syncing the lock. Number 2 is going to be the abilities and features of the lock, how that compares with other locks. Number 3 is going to be the price. That'll also be a comparison. And then number 4 is going to be my Smart Home Helper rating. So that's going to be my own personal rating with this lock and how I feel it compares with other locks. All these will be 1 out of 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. But I think you're going to enjoy this. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. All right, so for installation on this lock, I'm actually going to give it a 5 out of 5. If this is your first smart home lock that you're installing, this is a great starter. It's very easy, very simple to get installed. One of the key things with any smart lock is making sure that that deadbolt goes smoothly into the hole. So that's one of the key things that you'd have to look out for, as well as with the Kwikset. You're going to have to rehand that lock. So those would be the 2 differences from installing any normal lock. It's just those 2 key features there. Now, when it comes to syncing, this lock is very easy to sync up. You would need a hub to be able to sync this with. I've seen the Kwikset on both Z-Wave and Zigbee, so whichever one's your preferred method, you could go with that. I have seen sometimes you do have to reset the lock to sync it, but for the most part, it's syncing every single time the first time. So installation, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Abilities and features. So for abilities and features on this lock, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. The reason is the features are all there as well as the abilities. You can control the lock through your phone. It's on Z-Wave or Zigbee, so you can be really far away and be able to open and close that door, as well as create up to 30 user codes, which is really nice. But the only negative that I really see with this lock is just the way that it looks. You'll see a lot more sexier locks out there like Yale. It has the touch screen, as well as some of the other Kwiksets, August locks. They just look nicer than this lock. But that would be the only knock that I have on it, because I think that it's a quality lock and it works really, really well. So for abilities and features, 4 out of 5. Price. So for price, it's a 5 out of 5. This is the best priced smart lock you will find. Especially for Z-Wave or Zigbee, most of those locks are coming in at around $150 to $200. This lock I've seen as low as $90. It typically prices around that $100 range, but I have it there in the show notes. You can see whatever it's going for on Amazon. But this is a very well-priced lock. So 5 out of 5 on the price. All right, so the Smart Home Helper rating, it's going to be a 5 out of 5. The reason is the installation, super easy, easy to sync up, abilities and features, they're all there. The only issue is if you don't like the way it looks. And I actually kind of like the way it looks. That's the only knock that I've really heard on this lock. And then the price is a great price, especially if you're first starting off with a smart home and you don't know which lock to go with and you're nervous about, oh, which one do I go with? Quick, easy. This is an easy lock to go with, so I definitely suggest it there. And lastly, I haven't seen too many troubles working with this lock, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. So if you agree with me, definitely comment, subscribe. If you disagree, you don't have to subscribe. You can just comment and let me know what you think. So look forward to hearing your feedback, and I'm out.